Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix so we could not find a matching account or password. For example, if you log in into your account and this kind of error occurs, then I will tell you how you can fix this error. This error occurs due to a wrong password or username. So I will tell you without wasting any time the solution. For solution, you have to click on forgot password. If you had provided your phone or email, you can select any one of the option. If you have provided only phone, then you can select on that. You have to click on phone. After that, you have to write your phone number you have given to Snapchat while creating the account. After providing that number, you have to click on submit. A verification code will appear to your number you have provided. As you can see, if I click on submit, then Snapchat team will send me a verification code on this number, and in this way my account will be verified through my number. Here you have to again reset your password. As you can see here, I will provide my a new password. After you have provided your password, then you can here again log into your account by your new password and your account will be reset. Here you have to provide your new password you have provided recently so that you can easily log into your Snapchat account again. As you can see here, I am entering my new password. I have already changed. Now it's working. So you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. You can check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem has solved, you can like our video and subscribe our channel. And